To secure its position as the dominant global superpower, America has continually pushed the boundaries of aerospace engineering. It has achieved the seemingly impossible by mastering speed with the SR-71 Blackbird, stealth with the F-117 Nighthawk, and firepower with the B-2 Spirit. These marvels of innovation paved the way for the introduction of the F-22 Raptor, the world's first fifth-generation fighter jet and arguably the most lethal aircraft ever built. After over 2 decades of unmatched superiority, the F-22 now faces an unprecedented challenge: the emergence of hypersonic missiles from adversaries like Russia and China. Hypersonic missiles represent a revolutionary advancement in military technology, capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5 times the speed of sound, while maneuvering unpredictably to evade detection and interception. These weapons fly at medium altitudes, utilizing their high speed and agility to outmaneuver traditional air defense systems. Their maneuverability is particularly groundbreaking, as it allows them to adjust their trajectory mid-flight, making them nearly impossible to counter with current defense technology. The emergence of hypersonic missiles has triggered a global arms race among the world's leading military powers. Russia and China have made significant strides, with Russia even deploying hypersonic missiles in actual combat. During the 2022 conflict in Ukraine, Russia showcased the Kh-47M2 Kinzhal, an air-launched ballistic missile capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear warheads over distances of up to 1,200 miles. In one instance, a Kinzhal destroyed a Ukrainian weapons depot buried more than 100 meters underground, demonstrating its unparalleled destructive power. More recently, in 2024, Russia used its advanced Zircon hypersonic missile to obliterate a building in Ukraine. China, too, has developed an impressive arsenal of hypersonic weapons, including the DF-17 and Xingkong-2. These missiles can strike targets up to 1,500 miles away, showcasing their potential to neutralize heavily fortified positions with devastating precision. These advancements have placed China and Russia ahead of the United States in the hypersonic race, a position that American defense analysts find deeply concerning. In the face of this growing threat, the United States has intensified its efforts to develop its own hypersonic missile capabilities. Lockheed Martin, a key player in the U.S. defense industry, has been working on the Mako missile for the past 7 years. Originally conceived under the U.S. Air Force's Stand-in Attack Weapon, SIAW program, Mako is a versatile weapon system designed for a range of missions, including maritime strike, counter-air defense, and surface attack operations. Unlike traditional hypersonic missiles, which are often too large to fit within the internal weapons bays of stealth aircraft, Mako has been specifically engineered for compactness. This innovative design allows it to be deployed from a variety of American aircraft, including stealth fighters like the F-22 Raptor, F-35A, and F-35C, as well as legacy platforms such as the FA-18 Super Hornet and F-16 Fighting Falcon. Mako's adaptability ensures that it can be integrated across the U.S. Air Force and Navy, providing a critical edge in future conflicts. The U.S. Air Force is not content to rely solely on new missile technology. To maintain its aerial dominance, it has committed to an extensive modernization program for the F-22 Raptor. This program, with a projected cost of $10.9 billion, aims to upgrade the existing fleet of 150 combat-ready F-22s, equating to an investment of $72.6 million per aircraft. The upgrades will address the Raptor's limitations while enhancing its capabilities to meet the demands of modern warfare. One of the most significant upgrades is the introduction of low-drag fuel tanks and pylons. The F-22's current combat radius of 470 to 600 miles is insufficient for operations in the vast Pacific theater, where potential conflicts with China could unfold. Traditional external fuel tanks compromise the aircraft's stealth profile, but the new low-drag tanks are designed to maintain the Raptor's stealthiness. These tanks can be jettisoned cleanly, ensuring that the aircraft remains undetectable even after extending its range. The F-22 was initially envisioned to include infrared search and track (IRST) capabilities, a passive targeting system that detects the heat signatures of enemy aircraft. This technology has become increasingly important in modern aerial combat, particularly against stealth aircraft that evade radar detection. The addition of IRST pods will enable the F-22 to engage targets more effectively, ensuring its relevance in a rapidly evolving battlefield. The modernization program also includes new weapon systems, such as hypersonic missiles like Mako and helmet-mounted cueing systems. Currently, F-22 pilots must align the aircraft's nose with their target to achieve a lock, a limitation that modern helmet-mounted systems can overcome. These systems allow pilots to aim and fire simply by looking at their target, unlocking the full potential of advanced weapons like the AIM-9X Sidewinder missile. Another groundbreaking addition to the F-22's arsenal is the integration of loyal wingman drones. These semi-autonomous platforms will accompany the Raptor on missions, performing tasks such as reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and even combat. Controlled by the manned F-22 when necessary, these drones will act as force multipliers, enhancing the Raptor's effectiveness in contested airspace. While the F-22 remains a formidable fighter, it is not without competition. China's J-20 Mighty Dragon, often considered the F-22's counterpart, poses a significant challenge. In a potential US-China conflict, the theater of operations would likely be the Pacific, far from American bases. This distance, combined with China's long-range surface-to-surface missile capabilities, complicates the deployment of the F-22. The planned upgrades, including increased range and advanced stealth features, are essential to ensuring the Raptor's ability to operate effectively in such scenarios. America's rise to global supremacy has been marked by its ability to innovate and adapt. The F-22 Raptor is a testament to this legacy, having set the standard for fifth-generation fighters. However, as the nature of warfare evolves, so too must the tools of war. With billions of dollars invested in modernization and the development of hypersonic missile technology, the F-22 is poised to remain a dominant force in the skies for decades to come. The challenges posed by hypersonic weapons and emerging competitors like the J-20 highlight the need for continuous innovation. Yet, if history is any guide, America's commitment to technological excellence will ensure that its aerial forces remain unparalleled. The F-22 Raptor, enhanced with cutting-edge upgrades and supported by a new generation of weapons, will continue to embody the spirit of American ingenuity and military might.